Welcome to the JAER Outdoor Kit. What we have here is a rugged, water-resistant case containing a power inverter, a rechargeable battery, a submersible water pump, a solar panel to recharge that battery, Sawyer mini filter to filter out any water to make it safe and drinkable, all the necessary connection hoses, and the controller to not overcharge your battery. So when you're out in the woods, camping, hiking, in an RV, you can bring the comforts of home and an extra layer of security while only weighing roughly about 10 pounds. You could filter out water so you have safe, clean drinking water, like I said. You could charge cell phones, household items with our battery and our inverter. If you bring a fan with you when you go camping, now you get to stay cool in the summer. All this fits inside this case and is going to be available to everybody soon. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.